So let's do this beautiful cat eye gel design. Welcome back, my loves. So this is how it's looking after applying our base coat, and then we cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so we're going to be adding our base color, which is black. Okay, you can choose to use any preferred color of your choice, but I will always recommend black because black will always pop out the black eye, you know, the design very well. You can also use red, okay, but it will give it a very different look, but it will still come out beautiful. Okay, so I went ahead to do the rest of camera, okay, just to avoid this video to be too lengthy. Like I used to say, I'll try to make my video as short and as detailed as possible. Okay, so this is how it's looking after curing for 60 seconds. Black is actually very beautiful, guys. You can actually rock your nails like this. So now we're going to move over to the next step, which is our cat eye gel, and this is the particular cat eye product and we are going to be using for today. Okay, so guys, like our previous video before this one, okay, we used the pointed mount. Today we are going to be using the T mount, which is this one I'm using. Okay, and that is what we're going to be using for all our videos. So what I'm going to do, guys, listen attentively. Okay, I applied the base, which is the gold cat eye. Okay, and then I use my T mount magnet. Okay, and then yes, then I take it a little bit closer. Guys, it was very, very close to give me this effect, so you have to stay tuned to understand the full video. Okay, yeah, I draw the magnets very close to the nails. Okay, and that is why it is giving me this effect. So we're going to go over to the third finger, which is this one. And what I did on this hand, we still use the same T mount, okay, but we kept a distance and then I bent it. I don't know whether you are understanding this video, guys. Well, just watch the video and understand. Okay, we'll do the same method on this fourth hand. Okay, apply your magnets, and then we're going to use the T mount magnets, to place it, but not too close like the first two one. Okay, and then we are going to curve it. Hope you see the way I'm bending my hand. Okay, magnets, one thing about counter magnet, anywhere you place it, that is how it's going to be. Anywhere you place it, that is how it's going to give you. Okay, we're going to be doing a lot of tutorials on cat eye, so just stay tuned, okay, on this channel, and make sure you subscribe to that. Okay, turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So for this last one, okay, I actually draw it very close to look like the first two one. Okay, as you can see, it's giving the same effect which the first two finger is giving. So I decided to use the smaller part of the magnet, which is this one we did for the last video before this one, to just pop out the magnet a little bit, and this is what it's giving, guys. It's actually very, very beautiful. So let's go over to do the other hand, just the same method. Okay, just take it very close, as you can see, very, very close, and just like that you cure for 60 seconds. Okay, and guys, I always cure each hand before I go over to the next one. Okay, yeah, so let's do the second one, the same method. Apply your cat eye and then drop your T mat very, very close, and this is what it's giving. Okay, so for the third hand, like we did third finger, like we did in the first hand. Okay, you still the same T mat, but this time it's not going to be as close as the first two. Okay, and then you bend the hand a little bit, just the way I'm doing it. Okay, just watch the video. You can also save the videos to come back in case you miss anything when trying out this tutorial. And if you're not a nail tech, okay, you can save this video and give to your nail tech to try this design for you. Okay, so yeah, so this video is for everybody. I hope at this point you've subscribed to this channel. Hope you've liked, hope you've commented, hope you've encouraged me, guys. That's actually the only way you can actually encourage me, and tell me thank you and drop more videos. Okay, we drop videos every Mondays and every Fridays every week. Okay, so stay tuned. So like we did in the first time, I used my smaller part and they just pop the magnet out a little bit. Okay, so I'm just doing this particular one to show you what I meant by anywhere you place the magnet, that is where it will go. Okay, anywhere you direct it to, that is where it will go, as you can see. Okay, and that is basically all we did for today's tutorial, guys. Very simple but very very beautiful. So what we did at the end of the day, we applied our top coat, okay, to seal everything. Okay, apply your top coat, and then we cure for 60 seconds, and that is it for today's tutorial, guys. So you cure for 60 seconds, and this is what is giving, guys. This came out so beautiful, like so beautiful, guys. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be launching my personal business very soon, so you can place in your order here in Nigeria. Okay, you can place in your order. Follow me on other social media platforms via Instagram, Vanessa Fina or Vandy's Beauty World. TikTok, the same thing. Vanessa, you can either type Vanessa Fina, guys, or you type Vandy's Beauty World, okay? And then you send me a DM. My WhatsApp number is 0814 okay? To place your order. You will surely see this contact on both my Instagram and my TikTok, okay? So please follow me on my other social media platforms, okay? So you can place in your orders, guys. Please come through for me, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I'm super grateful. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please do it to subscribe, okay? Like this comment, drop a comment, like this video and share, okay, so that YouTube can keep recommending our videos to other viewers. Until next time, bye bye.